Are you looking for the perfect all year round cornbread dressing recipe? Our dressing recipe is perfect for all the holiday celebrations. And this dressing is gonna have your taste buds singing and your ears ringing. Well, not really your ears, but you get what I'm saying. Now let's get started. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut up our celery. Cut the ends off here. Don't need those. And you're just gonna dice the celery up. And now we're just gonna dice those into even smaller pieces. So that way they're not so big and chunky. All right, go ahead and place those in the bowl. Next, we're gonna dice up some onion. And I'm cutting some sweet onion, but you could use white onion as well. They both taste really good in this dish. And we're just going to mix that in with this cut up celery. Okay, now we're going to bring this over here to our stove. We're going to melt some butter. Okay, and we're going to saute the celery and the onion. Go ahead and season them with some salt and pepper. And we're just going to saute these until they become tender. Okay, so now we're going to crumble up our cornbread, and I made this cornbread in advance in a cast iron skillet because you want your cornbread to be a little dried out and stale. And don't crumble it too fine. You want to leave some chunks in there. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of dried out bread, and if you didn't have time to do that, you could just put this in the oven on 300 degrees. Some slices of bread and bake it for about 30 minutes and just flip it every about 10 minutes. And this kind of helps give it some texture to it. And also I just cut these into cubes, and if they're too big, you can always just break them apart. And it kind of helps having the dried out bread help it not absorb too much of the liquid that we're going to put into our dish. So that way it's not mushy. Next, we're going to add our sauteed vegetables, our seasoning, parsley, onion powder, some pepper, sage. Uh-oh, I need to take the top off this. Some sage and some poultry seasoning. And next, I'm going to add some fresh celery leaves. Now these are strong, so a little bit goes a long way. But if you like that more robust flavoring, by all means add it. And we're going to add some beaten egg, and this helps combine the ingredients. Next, we're going to add some cream of chicken soup. And some chicken stock. You can use store-bought or you can make your own stock, whichever way that you prefer it. We're just going to give this a good mix. The cream of chicken soup tastes really fantastic in this, and it helps it keep moist. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt. And your mixture, it shouldn't be soupy, but you want it moist, so that way it doesn't dry out when baking. Okay, now that it's all mixed, we're going to place this in a greased baking dish. Go ahead and spread it around. And we're going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes to an hour, or until the top is golden brown. All right, and here it is, our recipe for our cornbread dressing. Look at that. It smells wonderful. All right, and we're going to scoop this out. Now that looks good. Let's give this a taste. It was hot. That's excellent. All right, if this video was at all helpful to you, I ask that you go ahead and give it a thumbs up and press that like button. Go ahead and comment down below. Are you trying this for your Thanksgiving recipe or any other occasion? Don't forget to check out our homemade cornbread recipe up here. That's our cornbread recipe that we use to make this dressing. Or if you're looking for some good mashed potatoes, then go ahead and check out our mashed potato recipe video.